the CPI is the first party in Kerala to pronounce the names of those candidates. That names will be as per the following. I read from the northern part of Kerala. In Kanyanad, the LDF candidate of the CPI will be Advocate Govindan Pallikapil. In Nadapuram, it will be Advocate P. Vasantham. In Tirurangadi, our candidate will be Ajit Koladi. In Manjeri, we will field the independent candidate and his name is Mustafa V.M. In Aranad, the candidate will be Advocate Sheffield Kirishiri. In Pattambi, the candidate will be Muhammad Mohsin. In Mannarkad, the candidate will be Mansil Abu Bakr. In Thrissur, the candidate will be Alangod Leela Krishnan. Ollur, the candidate will be Advocate K. Rajan. In Natika, the candidate will be Geeta Gopi. In Kaipamangalam constituency, the candidate will be K. Varsadaj. In Kodungallur, it will be V.R. Sunil Kumar. In Paravur, Sri E.T. Tyson Master, comrades. In Muvachapuzha, the candidate will be N. Arun. In Charthala, the candidate will be P. Prasad. Haripad, T. Jismon. Vaikam, P. Pradeep. Perimad, K. Salim Kumar. Adur, Triji Kannan. Punalur, Ajaya Prasad C. Chadayamangalam, J. Chinjurani. Hirannakapalli, Advocate M.S. Tara. Chatanur, Advocate R. Rajendran. Nedumangad, Advocate G. R. Anil. Cheriyankeedu, Manoj B. Idamana. This will be the full list of the candidates. And all these candidates have just begun their campaign with full fervor.